problems were solved, right? It wasn't always like that. But that's what happened after 1971, because in 1971, then President Richard Nixon temporarily took the United States dollar off of the gold standard, because before 1971, our money was backed by gold. If we wanted to print more money, the Fed needed more gold to justify more money printing. But then the problem was we had a lot of debts here in the United States. The government had to pay a lot of bills and didn't have the money to do so, and the Fed couldn't print the money to fund these bills. The government was on the verge of going bankrupt. So instead of declaring bankruptcy, the government instead said, we're no longer going to be backed by gold, which then meant that the Fed could print an unlimited amount of money, lend it to the government, and then the government paid off all their bills. All the problems were solved, right? Except now when he printed this money, we had the inflation problem of the 70s. That was the highest inflation that we've seen since the pandemic.